Have you ever wondered why the rich seem to keep getting richer while most people struggle to get ahead? It's not magic, it's a system. And today, I'm going to reveal the three-step system that wealthy people use to manage their money. And the best part? It's simple enough for anyone to follow. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to manage your money like the rich and start building real wealth. Let's start with the biggest difference between the rich and the poor: mindset. Rich people think about money in a very specific way, while most people approach it completely differently. Here's the key difference. Rich people focus on buying assets and investing, things that make them more money and gain value over time. Poor people focus on buying liabilities, things that take money out of their pockets and lose value over time. For example, a rich person might invest in stocks, real estate, or businesses that grow their wealth over time. Meanwhile, a poor person might spend their extra cash on new gadgets or luxury items that lose value the moment they buy them. As Robert Kiyosaki famously said, "The rich buy assets, the poor buy liabilities." So, if you want to manage your money like the rich, your first goal is to start thinking in terms of assets versus liabilities every time you spend. Now, the three-step system. Step 1 is the most important. Pay yourself first. Before you pay your bills or spend a dollar, set aside a portion of your income for saving and investing. Here's why. Most people save whatever is left over. But let's be honest, there's usually nothing left. The rich flip the script. They treat saving as their first bill. A simple rule to follow: save at least 20% of your income. If you make $1,000 a month, immediately put $200 into a high-yield savings or investment account. Step 2 is to follow the 50/30/20 rule. This simple budgeting system helps you control where your money goes. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, travel. 20% goes to saving and investing, your future wealth. Most people spend too much on wants and save nothing. Rich people, they prioritize investing while keeping their lifestyle modest. If you've ever heard the phrase, "live below your means," this is what they mean. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. You'll be shocked how much you spend on things you don't really need. Cutting even $100 a month can add up to thousands over time. I have made a video on how to make a very simple Google Sheets budget, income, and expenses tracker where it can automatically track everything for you just by inputting a few formulas, which then allows you to see where you earn the most money, where you spend your money, and how you can manage it better. You can find the link to the video below. Step 3. Build multiple streams of income. The rich never rely on one paycheck. They have several sources of money working for them. Here are 3 you can start today. Active income, your main job or business. This could be your 9-to-5 job that you do every day until you have multiple stable income streams. Passive income, investments like stocks, rental properties, businesses. Common passive income ideas also include content creation on social media like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Keep in mind that they are not easy and they take time as well as research. Side hustles, selling on eBay, Etsy, or digital products. You can also do surveys and interviews that pay somewhere from $10 to $200 on legit websites like Prolific, Respondent, User Interviews, and User Testing. Even an extra $300 a month from a side hustle can make a huge difference. The goal is to have money coming in even when you're not working. Now that you know the system, here are 3 bonus habits the rich follow that you should adopt. Delay gratification. The rich think long-term. Instead of spending impulsively, they invest in things that grow over time. Invest in yourself. The best investment is your knowledge. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or The Millionaire Next Door. Network with winners. Your environment shapes you. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to grow financially. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart money tips, and check the description for a free budgeting template to get started. Remember, to be rich, you have to turn nothing into something, use all the resources around you, and become resourceful. Building wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how you manage what you have. I'll see you in the next video.